The flower shop. Anna worked in a small flower shop in her town. She loved flowers and spent her days arranging them into beautiful bouquets. One morning, a young man named Ben walked into the shop. He was shy and quiet, but had a kind smile. I need flowers for my mother, he said softly. Anna helped him pick some bright yellow tulips. These are for happiness, she said with a smile. Ben thanked her and left, but something about him stayed in Anna's mind. A week later, Ben returned. This time he asked for red roses. Who are these for? Anna asked playfully. Ben hesitated. For someone I like, he replied, his face turning red. Anna felt her heart sink a little, thinking he had someone special. But then Ben added, I like you. These flowers are for you. Anna was surprised and happy. She took the roses and smiled. Thank you, Ben. I like you too. From that day, Ben came to the shop every week, not just for flowers, but to spend time with Anna. Slowly, their friendship grew into a sweet love. Moral: sometimes love starts with small, simple moments.